Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the topping that finishes mac and cheese. This matters because texture is everything. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and move the rack to the middle so the crumb browns evenly. Measure 1 cup breadcrumbs. Panko gives a lighter crunch, regular gives a denser crust. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and mix it with salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of grated Parmesan to bind and flavor the crumbs. Once done, toss crumbs until evenly coated. Now you assemble so heat transfers properly and the topping adheres. Spoon the finished mac into an oven-proof dish, leaving about 1/2 inch clear around edges so bubbling cheese can expand. Once the surface is leveled, distribute the buttered breadcrumbs in an even layer and press lightly so they stick to the hot cheese underneath. If you want color, sprinkle chopped herbs or extra cheese now. This step controls crispness. Make sure coverage is uniform for consistent browning. You finish the dish by baking and watching carefully so crumbs brown without burning. Bake for about 18 to 22 minutes until the topping is golden and the cheese interior is bubbling. Once done, let it rest a few minutes before serving to set. If you want extra crunch, broil for 1 to 2 minutes while watching closely. If the topping goes soggy, return the casserole uncovered to the oven or crisp dry breadcrumbs in a pan first. This rescues texture without changing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.